Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete Google account permanently. So first of all, open a Gmail account. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's get start. Look at the right corner, tap onto profile icon. Go to Google account. Select the third option, data and privacy. After that, scroll down. Go to delete a Google service option. Tap on to continue. After that, scroll down. Just enable two option and then finally click on to delete account. Then successfully delete your Google account permanently. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.